Hello guys!
Welcome to my new video. Sorry for no videos for some weeks or some months, so sorry. But thanks for 2000. This is a 2000 special video, review of Audi e-tron E. Oh sorry, my brain was dead. It's Audi e-tron G. It's now gone from the dealership because it's limited. Say let's start. Let's see. Nice look. Also, it's a limited.
Here we go.
As it's electric, there is no sound, but there is a sound effect. Let's see its interior. It's pretty good. Its total speed is 297 km/h, guys. I know it's slow. By the way, let's drive. The handling is nice. Now let's do brake test and speed test. Let's go. Guys, it touches 300 km/h. Ow. Now let's try it with nitro. Let's go. Woohoo. Ouch. Nah, go. It goes 357 km/h with nitro. I will not prefer to go to mountain or hill with this car. Now let's do brake test. Let's go.
Oh shit!
Full speed. It is good. Ow. Okay guys, that's it for today's 2000 subs special video. I hope you enjoyed it. I would try to upload more, so stay tuned. Me peace out.